In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Binance account from other devices using the Binance app. Whether you've left your account open on a friend's phone, a family member's tablet, or just want to ensure that your account is as secure as possible, this step-by-step guide will help you manage your device logins easily and effectively. To get started with the Binance app, first, open the app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your account settings by tapping the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will lead you to a variety of important links and settings related to your account. Next, head over to the security section. This area houses all the security features Binance provides to keep your account safe, including the ability to manage which devices have access to your account. Once you're in the security section, select Manage Devices. This is the crucial step where you can view a comprehensive list of devices that are currently logged into your Binance account. Here, you'll find each device's name and details, giving you complete transparency over your account security. If you spot a device that you do not recognize or simply wish to log out of, tap on the trash bin icon or the Remove option next to the device in question. This action will prompt a confirmation message, just to make sure you want to proceed with logging out that particular device. Confirm your choice to log out, and just like that, the device will be logged out remotely. It's a simple yet effective way to manage and ensure the safety of your Binance account. For those of you who prefer using a desktop, or perhaps don't currently have access to the Binance app, there is an alternative method available via the Binance website. Begin by logging into your account at Binance.com. Once you've logged in, click on your profile icon and navigate to Security, similar to the app. From there, scroll down to find the Device Management section. Device Management on the website functions much like the app, showing you a list of all devices currently logged into your account. Once you have identified the unwanted device, simply click Remove next to it. Logging out from the site is immediate, ensuring that your account security is swiftly and efficiently updated. Both of these methods provide a straightforward approach to managing device logins, and by following these steps, you should feel more confident in handling the security aspects of your Binance account. It's always a good practice to routinely check your account's active devices and remove any that seem unnecessary or unfamiliar, ensuring your financial data remains secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in managing your Binance account security.